Currently, I am working as a partner in PwC India, and my job is to do consulting for manufacturing and operations for the country. Before joining PwC, I was a partner in UI, and before that, I was in Accenture Consulting. So, before doing my PGXPM program, I was more into delivery roles. So, I was, going to the client sites and delivering projects. But then I thought that there was something missing, that if I have to be in consulting, then I need that zing of management. And that's where I did this PGXPM program. And it helped me a lot because I had that practice of delivering projects, and the theory came along with PGXPM, and that combined made me a person that I wanted to become. There were many options in my mind, and in fact I went through all the colleges, and I was very clear in my mind that I have to keep doing what I am doing. I need to continue my practice while pursuing education. And then there were courses that were asking me to be present there in a campus for 20 days at a stretch or 30 days at a stretch. That was not possible because I would have to take leave of so many days. But then PGXPM program of Great Lakes was just what I wanted to be. In fact, it gave me flexibility of not leaving the job, at the same time pursuing a high quality course. Yes, this program gave me acceleration, not in terms of giving me a very high-flying job immediately, but it gave me confidence, and that confidence, gave me inner strength to look for something big. And I think that word that I told you, that confidence, PGXPM program of Great Lakes gave me that confidence. People who have spent enough time in the industry, and they find that now their practice needs to be A, their practice needs to be sharpened, and B, their practice needs to be supported with knowledge of management. So they are the right person to pursue this course, and of course, those who want to do something in their life. I think that was one of the most important things in the campus, because the peer group was fantastic. All of them were accomplished managers, and some of them were very, very senior, and we are still connected with each other. We have a group where we chat, we exchange our experiences of day-to-day life. We sometimes talk about how we spend time in the college, and learning was tremendous. I mean, we learned, of course, through the college, through the professors, but we also learned through our experiences. No other than Dr. Bala himself told that your network is net worth, right? So, and that is really true. That's my strength, which I am keeping in my fist. And whenever I have to use that, I will definitely use, because all of them are at the right places. So learning never has to stop, and this is applicable to mid managers more than anyone else, because it is the time when you think that you have accomplished more. You have to know that the world is changing around you. Technology is changing, and business practices are also changing. So you have to keep learning new skills, you have to keep learning new practices, and if you can, you should devise new practices and new technologies so that you can give back to the industry.